children, you all of you take the past and present book. We can see the question answers for the past and present. Lesson number 9. You take page number 88. Circle the correct answers. The Allahabad pillar inscription is an example of an archaeological source. Chandragupta II had Navratnas in his court. Kumaragupta founded the University of Nalanda. The carved painting at Ajanta are a popular tourist attraction. The Gupta gold coins point to the high level of metrological skills. Match the columns. Samudragupta Allahabad pillar inscription. Fagin Chandragupta II seated Buddha Sarnath. Vishnu Sharma Panchatantra Brihat Samhita an encyclopedia of science. Right, true or false? Harisena was the court poet of Samudragupta. True. The position of women declined in the Gupta period. True. Kalidasa was the greatest mathematician of his age. False. Panini wrote a book on music. False. Dhanvantri was a renowned physician. True. Give reasons for the following. Indian historian refers to the Gupta period as the golden age of India. You turn the page number 81. The Gupta age was a very important period in the history of India. It was characterized by peace, prosperity, a spirit of religious tolerance and progress in the field of culture and science. This is why some historians refer to this period as golden age. Give reason to. Samudragupta did not annex the kingdom in the Deccan and the south. You come to page number 82. Samudragupta defeated 12 rulers of the Deccan and the far south. Samudragupta did not annex these kingdoms because he felt that it would be difficult to control them from north. E1. Answer these questions. What are the sources for the study of Gupta period? The answer is in the page number 81. Both archaeological and literary sources, the Allahabad pillar inscription, the paintings at Ajanta. The literary sources included the works of Kalidasa and the accounts of foreign travelers such as Fagin and Aitsing. E2. Describe the conquest of Samudragupta. You turn the page number 82. In north, Samudragupta defeated 4 powerful kings and numerous smaller kings. Samudragupta defeated 12 rulers of the Deccan and the far south. Samudragupta defeated many kingdoms of the east such as Nepal, Assam and Bengal. Samudragupta also defeated the tribal republics in Punjab and Rajasthan and the forest tribes of the Vindhya region. Then E3. How did Chandragupta II strengthen his position? Turn page number 83. Chandragupta II strengthened his position further by giving his daughter in marriage to the Vagadaga king of Deccan. When did Fagin visit India? Why is his visit important to us? Fagin visited India during Chandragupta II's reign. In 405 Common Era, we get much knowledge about the Gupta period through his writings. You come to the question number 5. Discuss the progress made in literature during the Gupta period. Turn page number 86. The Gupta king were patrons of Sanskrit literature. Some of the finest poetry and dramas in Sanskrit were written during this time. The study language, particularly grammar and lexicography, also progressed. Then question number 6. Discuss art and architecture during the Gupta period. Art and architecture. The Gupta king built many temples. The Dasavadara temple at Dioga and the temple at Bittagon, and the temple at Sanchi are very beautiful. The seventh question. The knowledge of mathematics and metallurgy was quite advanced. Explain. Come to page number 87. Mathematics. Under this one, the numeral system was very advanced. Numerals were first developed and used by the Indians. Indian mathematicians knew the use of zero. They also used the decimal system extensively. The Gupta period. The science of metallurgy was highly advanced. The Gupta gold coin were also beautifully designed. They point to the high level of metallurgical skill achieved during this period. Then the eighth question. Write short notes and following a religion. You come to the page number 84. Religion. Hinduism was the most popular religion. Most Gupta rulers were worshippers of Vishnu. They gave donations for constructing temples. They also performed religious sacrifices. The Gupta kings were tolerant of all religions. Samudragupta appointed the Buddhist scholar Vishubandhu as his son's tutor. Followers of different religions lived. Then popularity of Hinduism, Buddhism and Jainism lost their importance. Then you come to the 5B. Medicine. In the page number 87. Medicine. Dhanvantri was the greatest physician of this time. Veterinary science also progressed during the Gupta period. A book titled Aswasitra deals with various animal diseases. It lists the symptoms and treatments in great detail.